Stop wasting your money on expensive electronics. The Mini PC is extremely affordable and runs much better than you think. With a fast CPU, ample storage, and a discrete graphics card, a combination of the most powerful hardware and reliable software allows you to enjoy the best user experience. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Top 3 Zone. I am presenting the best 3 mini PC in detail briefly. I am researching many mini PC, then only the best mini PC pellets are listed. Check the best mini PC link below. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. MINISFORUM 560 Mini PC. It is a small form-factor desktop tower computer with an AMD Ryzen 5 5625U, 6C, 12T up to 4.3 GHz processor. The faster performance can handle heavy computing tasks smoothly and is better for multitasking. It is widely used for light games, image editing, browsing, watching movies, programming, etc. The MINISFORUM 560 is the world's first mini PC that comes with GAN power supply, which is safer, faster, and more portable. One USB-C port on the back of the computer supports alt mode. It allows USB-C ports to transfer data, video via multiple interfaces. DDR4 16GB RAM, 2x SODIMM slot, each of slot can be upgraded to 32GB. Plus 512GB 2280 NVMe SSD, up to 2 TB, pre-installed. One 2.5-inch SATA HDD slot can up to 2 TB. Without worrying about lack of capacity, you can run software smoothly, watch and storage large-scale movies, photos without any stress. You can also enjoy some games to some extent. This mini PC comes with integrated Radeon graphics, graphics frequency 1800 MHz, 4K at 60 Hz, 4 display outputs via 2 HDMI ports, and 2 USB-C ports. You could connect 4 independent displays, which ensures smooth navigation, responsive work processes and comfortable. Number 2. AMR5 Gaming Mini PC. AMR5 is a multifunctional RGB gaming PC. You can freely switch to 3 different modes: gaming, working and silent mode. Entertainment, games, work, study, audio and video, and light setting, etc. application scenarios can realize easily. RGB lights. Light up your game atmosphere. Performance mode. Full speed mode, full release. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5600U processor with up to 28 WTDP. RX Vega 7 graphics. DDR4 2666 MHz RAM and M.2 NRMe SSD. Upgradable memory and storage. Intelligent cooling fan. Wi-Fi 6 EIG LAN port. Ensures minimal lag in the game. Performance mode. Silent Eco Mode. Auto mode. Performance mode, which is prepared for heavy productivity and gaming. Leave the dial in the center and you get auto mode. Auto mode is suitable for daily work like Office Kit. Slide it to the left to enable silent mode for reduced fan noise. For daily use, the silent mode is enough for light entertainment like web browsing or watching movies. Number 3. ACEMAGICIAN T8 Pro Mini PC. T8 Pro adopts the design of 3 HDMI and dual network ports, which provides a more cost-effective choice for people with different needs. The whole body is 8.94 x 8. 94 by 4.35 centimeters. The total weight of the whole body is 203.7 grams, which is similar to the weight of an apple. It doesn't feel heavy even when you put it in your bag. T8 Pro is equipped with Intel 11th generation processor, Celeron N5095, up to 2.90 GHz. The performance has been improved by more than 40%, and it is better compatible with the Windows 11 system, making it more comfortable for you to use. It can provide 3 4K 60 frames of smooth display at the same time. This means that it can handle more difficult and intensive data processing tasks for you with faster response times and more storage space. T8 Pro uses 2.4, 5G dual-band Wi-Fi. The protocol is IEEE 802.11a, B per gram, N, AC. No matter how complicated your environment is, it can provide you with a relatively stable and smooth network.